In this video, we'll take a look at the simplified tables, which are the backbone of the green reading system. We found them by first going into putting, followed by green reading, then tables and graphs, and here we have simplified tables. This is a simplified table for stim 10, and it gives us all the necessary information to estimate the aim on any tilted surface on the stim 10 green. You read it by first looking at the columns, which is the slope of the putt, then by looking at the rows, which is the elevation, starting with uphill, ending with downhill. So if you have a putt of, let's say, 1% slope, 0 elevation, you get these two numbers. The first number is the start number, and it tells you how much break you have on a 1 meter putt. The second number is the step number, and it tells you how much additional break you have for every extra half meter of putt distance. So for a 1.5 meter putt, you would have 2 plus 3, that gives you 5 centimeters of break, or about the edge of the hole. If you have a longer putt of, let's say, 4 meters, you would first count the number of steps between 1 and 4 meter, going in half meter increments. Do that calculation, and you get 6 steps. Then you take 6 multiplied by the step number 3, and then add 2. Do that calculation, and you get 20 centimeters of break. The process is exactly the same for any other combination of slope and elevation. Only thing that changes is the numbers in these boxes. This means that all that you have to do is memorize this table, which is most easily done with the practice tables page, which we'll go to shortly. In that page, you can memorize the table, either going column by column, row by row, or shuffle them in a random order. My recommendation is to first learn it column by column, as the numbers increase with a very nice pattern, which makes it easier to remember, and then use the shuffle feature to help you recall this table faster. But the practice tables will be found by exiting here, and then here at the top. With the free version, we're limited to stim 10, wandering them by row, and elevation of 0%, but this is what it looks like. Up here at the top, we get the elevation and slope of our first case. So start number was 2, step of 3. Let's say for the second one that we type in the wrong numbers. We get an error message and the possibility to view the table to refresh our memory and type in the correct ones. And for the last one, then you would repeat this until you learn the entire table. That was everything for this video. See you in the next.